In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to announce a special offer, highlight a newsletter sign-up, or simply welcome visitors to your site, pop-ups can be a powerful tool to engage your audience. Let's dive into the steps to get this set up on your Squarespace site. First things first, let's head over to Squarespace. You'll find yourself on the homepage of this versatile website builder, which is the starting point for our journey today. Next, you'll need to click on the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing the back end of your Squarespace site, where all the magic happens. It's a simple step, but crucial for getting to the controls that power your website. Once you've clicked on Login, you're going to see an option to continue with Google. This is a handy feature if you have a Google account, as it allows for a quicker sign-in process. Click on that to proceed. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to click on your Google account. Choose the account associated with your Squarespace site to move forward. Now let's navigate to your website. If you're not immediately taken there, look for a link or simply type in the URL of your Squarespace dashboard in your browser. You're looking for your site's main management area, where you'll find all the tools you need to make changes to your website. Once you're in your Squarespace dashboard, it's time to go to each of pages. This area is where you manage and edit the content of your website, but it's also where you'll access the tools needed to set up a pop-up. Within the Pages section, you're going to look for Website Tools. It's in this section that Squarespace houses various features that enhance your site's functionality, including the pop-up feature we're focusing on today. After clicking on Website Tools, your next step is to select Promotional Pop-up. This is where you start the process of creating your pop-up. Squarespace offers a range of customizable pop-up templates, so you can choose one that best fits your site's look and your marketing goals. Once you're in the Promotional Pop-up area, it's crucial to turn on the Display Pop-up feature. This step activates the pop-up functionality on your site, allowing you to set up the conditions under which your pop-up will be displayed to visitors. Finally, after tweaking your pop-up settings to your liking, don't forget to click Save. This ensures all your changes are applied and that your pop-up will be ready to greet visitors to your site. Remember, the effectiveness of your pop-up depends not just on how eye-catching it is, but also on how relevant and timely the information you provide is. Ensure your message is clear, offers value, and has a clear call to action for your site visitors. And there you have it. Setting up a pop-up on your Squarespace site is as simple as that. With this feature, you can easily engage with your visitors and convey important messages or promotions. Try experimenting with different pop-up types and tracking their performance to see what works best for your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy web designing.